Hi, boys and girls. This is our last week meeting. This week, we're going to review our math circle. So we're going to count from 1 through 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm going to play a song for you all. You can count along with him, okay?
Let's get ready to count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump! 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jump, 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 stop. Spin, 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 stop. Let's sing one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump! 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jump, 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 stop. Spin, 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 stop.
All right, boys and girls, we just counted from 1 through 20. Let's review our shapes. We have a square, triangle, circle, heart, star, rectangle, oval. We call this a diamond, but it's also known as a rhombus. That's right. We're going to review a shape song. And it's your favorite shape song, Walking Down the Street. That's the shape song that we're going to do. So stand up.
Walking down the street, looking for shapes. Shapes. What do you see?
I see a square.
That's right, a square. Walking down the street, looking for shapes. Shapes. What do you see?
I see a triangle.
That's right, a triangle. Walking down the street, looking for shapes. Shapes. What do you see?
I see a circle.
That's right, a circle. Walking down the street, looking for shapes. Shapes. What do you see?
I see a rectangle.
That's right, a rectangle. Walking down the street, looking for shapes. Shapes. What do you see?
I see a star.
That's right, a star. Walking down the street, looking for shapes. Shapes. What did you see?
I saw a square, a triangle, a circle, a rectangle, and a star.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
All right. Great job. We reviewed our square, triangle, circle, rectangle, and star in that song. But let's not forget our other 3 shapes, the heart, the oval, and the rhombus. Let's move on. All right. Number of the week. This week is 16. Let's count to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 purple circles. I want you guys to have your parents to upload videos to our Class Dojo page and our private Facebook page, counting to the number 16. Awesome job, boys and girls. Let's move on. Now we're going to sort. These shapes are in such a mess, right? We have a square, a triangle, and a circle. Let's count and see how many squares we have. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and all those should be grouped together. All of our purple squares should be together because they're just alike. They're all the same shape and the same color. Then we also have circles in this mix-up of shapes. They're all round and they're all orange. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 4 circles should go together. Now we have our pink triangle. We have 1, 2, and 3 triangles. Okay? 3 triangles. And all 3 triangles should be in one group. They kind of remind you of a slice of pizza. All right, let's move on and let's see how I put them in groups. I sorted them. We have our 3 squares in a circle together because they all go together. We have our 4 circles and our 3 triangles. So do you see how Miss Robinson sorted the shapes? Let's go back. See, they were all mixed up right here. But then I sorted my shapes out. See if you can find objects around your house to sort. Once you find those objects to sort, take a picture. Upload it to our Facebook page and Class Dojo page. Bye, boys and girls.